TRX Desert Ready. Compass Top Safety Pick. Rev up for Speed Week. Drive for Design winners. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. Ram Truck is expanding its light-duty lineup with the addition of the exclusive 2022 Ram 1500 TRX SandBlast Edition. This performance truck includes a unique Mojave Sand exterior color and graphics, unique 18-inch all-black beadlock wheels, light frost accent stitching, a leather and carbon fiber flat-bottom steering wheel, and more. Ram 1500 TRX SandBlast Edition has a manufacturer-suggested retail price of $98,285 plus destination and will go on sale this summer. The Jeep Compass has earned a top safety pick from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety for 2022. The Compass received a superior grade, the highest possible rating, in 6 IIHS crashworthiness tests, which include 3 types of frontal crashes, a side impact, rear impact, and a rollover test. The Compass offers the most safety and security features in its class, with more than 75 available, and has seen a 22% increase in sales in the first quarter of this year, when comparing numbers to the first quarter of 2021. Dodge is pouring on the horsepower as the brand charges forward on its new performance path, launching a multi-day Dodge Speed Week event, August 12th through 20th, on Woodward Avenue in Pontiac, Michigan. Charting the future of the Dodge brand, Speed Week promises to deliver enough news to fill an entire calendar year, including 3 consecutive days of worldwide product reveals, August 15th through 17th, at the M1 Concourse in Pontiac. For more details on Speed Week, check out dodgegarage.com. And finally, this year's Drive for Design contest, in its 10th year, challenged high school students to design a Chrysler vehicle of the future. From all of the entries, the top 3 sketches were selected, with the top prize going to Rocco Morales, grade 11, from Northville, Michigan. As a celebration of 10 years of the Drive for Design contest, the top 10 finalists will get to participate in a virtual question and answer session with Stellantis design team members. Also, the top 3 finalists will receive additional prizes, including a scholarship to Detroit's College for Creative Studies 4-week virtual summer program. To see the finalists' sketches, go to StellantisDriveForDesign.com.